Well, are you somebody who wants to build a career in aviation? Here are the top DGCA approved flying schools in India as of 2026. On number 1 of the list, we have the Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy, Uttar Pradesh, a premier institute under the Ministry of Civil Aviation known for its high standards. Next on the list, we have the National Flying Training Institute, the NFTI or the CAE Gonida, Maharashtra, which is a venture with AAI offering model training infrastructure. On third, we have the Madhya Pradesh Flying Club, the MPFC, located in Indore and Bhopal. It is one of the oldest training institutes offering CPL and PPL training for traditional flying trainers. The Bombay Flying Club is again a great pick, located in Mumbai, which is highly reputable and has a long-standing history. On fifth, we have the Kayans Aviation Academy, the CAA, Madhya Pradesh, offering advanced training facilities for seekers. On sixth, we have the Orient Flying Aviation Academy, the OFAA, Mysore, strong fleet and good training environment. On 7th in the list, we have the Rajiv Gandhi Academy for Aviation Technology. Located in Kerala, this state-owned facility has high standard training for seekers. Well, 8th on the list is the Redbird Flight Training Academy, located in Baramati, Assam, Karnataka and MP, a rapidly growing state academy of aviation with multiple bases. The Ahmedabad Aviation and Aeronautics Limited, the AAAL, located in Gujarat, is another great pick, which is a privately owned aviation academy. Lastly, but not the least, is the Government Flying Training School, GFTS Bengaluru, which is one of the leading government-owned aviation universities. It's also necessary to have a look at the key details for pilot training. So let's have a quick glance. Number 1, the eligibility. Generally, the courses require passing 10+2 with physics and mathematics mandatory. Candidates must be at least of 17 years of age when they apply for the courses and need a Class 2 medical certificate to enroll in the course. Regarding the courses offered in these institutes, these consist of the Commercial Pilot License, the CPL, the Private Pilot License, the PPL and the Multi-Engine Ratings. Talking about the duration, CPL courses typically take around 18 to 20 months, requiring at least 200 hours of flying. The cost of these courses might hit the pocket, which costs around 35 to 50 lakhs per trainer in the entire duration of the course. For more details regarding aviation and updates in the aviation news industry, keep following Avionist.